In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mute a Zoom meeting. When people say mute a Zoom meeting, they usually mean silencing their own microphone so others can't hear background noise. That's exactly what we'll do together, step by step, so you can stay focused, be respectful to the speaker, and jump in clearly when it's your turn. First, head to Zoom. You can open the Zoom desktop app if you have it installed, or go to the Zoom website in your browser. Either way, you'll be able to access a meeting and use the same basic audio controls. Make sure your internet connection is stable, and if possible, use headphones to reduce echo. Next, join or start a Zoom meeting. You can start one yourself or use a meeting link or ID you've been given. As you enter, Zoom may prompt you to join audio. Confirm that you want to use your computer audio or your selected device. This ensures the microphone control you're about to use is available and working. Once you're in the meeting, look toward the bottom left of the Zoom window. You'll see the main toolbar that holds your audio and video controls. If the toolbar fades away, just move your mouse and it will reappear. On smaller screens, it might be compact, but the microphone control stays in the same general area. Now find the audio icon. It looks like a small microphone. If your microphone is active, it typically says unmute or mute next to it, depending on your current state. Hovering over it will show a tooltip that confirms you're on the right button. This is the control that lets you instantly silence or allow your audio. Click the audio icon to toggle it off and mute your microphone. When you're muted, you'll see a red slash through the microphone icon, and Zoom may show a muted indicator next to your name in the participant list. If you had a sound level meter bouncing while you spoke, it will stop moving when you're muted. To speak again, simply click the same icon to unmute. It's a quick on and off switch, so you can manage your audio without interrupting the flow of the meeting. A few practical tips as you use this. Keep yourself muted whenever you're not speaking to reduce background noise. Unmute briefly to share your thoughts, then mute again. If you're hosting and need everyone quiet, host controls can mute participants, but this walkthrough focuses on muting your own microphone. That's it. You've learned how to mute in Zoom quickly and confidently.